Namaskar. I welcome you once again on Yoga with Satyam. Friends, as we all know that today's kids are really smart, but they are facing one big challenge, that they are not able to focus. They are not able to concentrate on particular thing for a certain length of time, which is really important. So, keeping this thing in mind, today's breathing exercises are designed which kids enjoy doing. Yes, they could relate to it. They will be entertained throughout the process. Plus, they will learn to breathe correctly. They will breathe in deeply and breathe out in a conscious manner, which will help them to improve their concentration and focus abilities. Isn't it great? Yes, it is. So, without further delay, let's move to our breathing exercises. But before starting our breathing, one small request. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed it, then please hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon too, so that my videos can reach to you on time. Now, let's move to our yogic fun breathing exercises. So kids, are you ready for the show? Great! Let's start it, okay? Now let's lock both our hands like this, okay? Now open your index finger, join them. Okay? Now you need to keep your index finger 1 feet apart from your face, and the tip of your index finger should be in front of your nose like this, okay? Now what you need to do? You need to breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly and in a prolonged manner. You need to blow out candle every time. You need to breathe in deeply, then blow out the candle. I'll do it for you once so that you can know how to do it. Okay? See. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Got it? We'll do it together, okay? 10 times, okay? Now, breathe in deeply. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue. I'm telling you, breathe in. Breathe out. 5 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do it. I'm watching you. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Great. Wasn't it fun? I know. Now let's move to our second breathing. You are excited, I know that. Well, our second breathing is even more exciting. Yes, it's called balloon and aha breathing. Interesting, yes? So what do you need to do? You need to put both your hands on your stomach like this. Now we'll breathe in deeply and imagine your stomach blowing, expanding like a balloon when you breathe in. And when you breathe out, you will breathe out from your mouth with a ha sound like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Ha! You're getting it? Okay? Breathe in. Imagine your stomach. Blow your stomach like a balloon and breathe out with a ha sound. We'll do it 10 times, okay? Let's do it together. Both your hands on stomach. Start. Breathe in. 5 times more, okay? Do it, I'm watching you. One more time, a bonus. Wow, relax. Wasn't it great? Yes, now? Now let's move to our next breathing. Friends, you're excited to know what it is? It's climbing the cliff. Yes, you need to climb the cliff and breathe in. You need to climb down the cliff and breathe out. You would ask, where is the cliff? Here it is. Yes. When we'll go up, we'll breathe in. When we'll go down, we'll breathe out. Go up, breathe in. Go down, breathe out. This is our cliff, okay? I'll do it once for you. Then we'll do it together. See. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Every time we are climbing up, breathing in, climbing down, going down, breathing out. Okay. So let's do it together now. This is our cliff. Let's go up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One round, we'll do it for 5 times. Round number 2. Breathe in. Breathe out. Round number 3. Do it, you naughty. I'm looking at you. Come on. Breathe in. Round number 4. Last round 5. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. So we have done so far 3 breathing exercises. One more left, okay? Now you want to know what that is? Even more interesting. We all know triangle, okay? So in this breathing we'll do triangle breathing. 3 sides, okay? Triangle. What we'll do? We'll breathe in for the first side, breathe out for another. Then again breathe in to join both these lines. I'll do it for you. See, we are making a triangle through our breath, like this. Okay? We'll do it for 5 times. Just follow my instructions, okay? Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Now without hand movements 3 times, okay? We need to make triangle with our breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in, breathe out, Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Two more times. Continue. One more bonus. Okay kids, that's the end of our exercises. I'm sure you guys must have enjoyed it, right? Okay, it's time for me to say bye-bye. I'll go now, but you do it daily, twice, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, take care. God bless you guys. Mwah.